we're here outside our hotel. Ito yung labas namin. So if you look there,
Dito. Ayan.
yan. There's a stadium. And then if you go right here, dito banda, yan. I believe hawker yung mga nandyan. Tapos if you'll face here, yan. Doon guys, nandun yung lavender station ng MRT nila. Tapos meron din dong Fisher Price. Meron doon fair price na groceryhan. Tapos may hawker din doon yung kopitiam, what I told you yesterday. And we'll bring you there hanggang doon sa MRT para masaya. Sa likod lang ng Fair Price, ito yung Hawker Center. So inside maraming mga stores, food stores, iba-iba siya, all in one place. Hi guys, first meal of the day, Burger King. Tara!
Hi guys. Ito yung in-order namin. As you can see, yung total namin is $14.90.
Mahal.
Medyo mahal. Pero yung nuggets nila mura. Hindi na kami bumili kasi breakfast pa lang.
This one is mushroom Swiss turkey burger yata.
Yeah.
And this one is, syempre, hot dog, ham omelette, croissant. Gusto ko yung tomato nila. Tapos ito yung potato tots. Super crunchy. Sarap. Kain tayo. So guys, ito yung mushroom. I think this is croissant or a different kind of, but it's definitely not your regular hamburger bun. Oozing with mushroom, and then this one is the Swiss cheese, I'm assuming. And then underneath would be the patty. I'm not sure if it's turkey or hamburger. This will be one messy bite. It's good. It's really good. It's juicy, and then it's really buttery, but it's very rich.
May chili rin sila. Wala tayong ganyan eh.
Guys, after downing that first meal, I know it's Burger King, I know it's fast food, but it's not that bad to try even fast food when you're abroad, because they have a different meal from what we normally have in the Philippines. And it was a good meal. It was satisfying, and now we're off to Bugis. And I'm pretty sure we are not hungry by then, so we will shop. Are still closed, so we will just go to where it's open. This one obviously naman, puro accessories, but it's $3 for 30. That's expensive. Oh shucks, Hello Kitty. Choco Express, they have spreads and different kinds of chocolates, and it's buy 3 get 1, buy 2 for $10, buy 2 for $12. That depends on what you're getting.
2 for 10.
Hi guys, Jordana has a sale here at Bugis Junction for $10 each shirt. Hi guys, so we're walking right now going to the Bugis Changian. We showed you earlier the Bugis Social. Now we're going to the Bugis parang DB type. Isa naman sabi ko, init dito. We normally go to Hong Kong because it's very cold in December and it's nice na mag-vacation naman sa hindi mainit na lugar. But now that we're in Singapore, hello hotness. Ay guys, tingnan nyo, meron silang big bus just like in Hong Kong. That one, oh. They have that in Hong Kong. They call it the big bus. It's known everywhere, eh. Meron nun sa New York, meron nun sa
UK.
London, oh yeah, sa UK. Tapos pareho ng name. It's big bus. Dito iba yung name.
Hippo yata, Hippo Charter something.
So guys, we're very close to Bugis. Ito yung Changian part. There's a high-end part and a Changian part. We're going to the Changian part. Then we'll go to the high-end part later. Kasi I have to buy something from ST for my mom. Actually, she's not my mom. She's my Lola, but I call her my mom. And here we are! Guys, next stop, Clark Quay. Nakita yung shoes ko. So, yun no. Ayan, isa pa. Nagamit namin yung eco bag and also, yun lang talaga. Sobrang nakakapagod kasi you keep on walking. Pero okay yan, exercise. Hi guys, we're here at Clark Quay Central. See that? It's a really big mall and then we are going to turn around and that is Clark Quay. Let's go.
We will be walking right there, going there later, but we have to go to Media supermarket first dahil sobrang ganda ng supermarket ngayon. And then
Guys, one thing I was really in awe when I saw Clark Quay. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. The same way na it's beautiful in pictures and videos that you see in YouTube, iba ang real life, life size na nakikita mo siya. Over there, yan yung Clark Quay. So, nasa kabilang side kami. We'll cross the bridge later to go there. And then if you'll see, may Hooters. May Hooters ba sa atin?
Yeah, Samoa.
Isa mo, meron tayo.
Oh,
Sorry I don't go to MOA that often. In fairness, nakakapagod siya kasi puro lakad and change of lines pagdating sa MRT. Kasi we don't know how the bus works here. Unlike sa Hong Kong, medyo
gamay na.
so guys, we're now walking, going back way.
Guys, this place is absolutely divine. Can you see that? Ang ganda. Ganda ng mga cribs ng bata, ano, Shala?
Hi guys, this is what I got for lunch. Pork belly set. $5 siya. Kasama ng rice, pork belly, and side na I guess veggies. Of course, lemon iced tea. I'm assuming this is curry. So, taste natin. Lasang curry. May anghang ng konti. It's a bit spicy pero tolerable naman. This is just plain cabbage na stir fry. Yung pork belly nila is steamed or boiled. Very tender naman siya. So no problem with that. Plain rice lang siya, topped with yung curry na sauce or gravy nila. Okay, taste test na tayo ngayon. Yung pork parang yung sa asado, pero walang lasa ng pagka-asado. It's curry nga yung malalasahan mo. Pero yung lambot niya parang sa asado. Next, I'll try with the pork, rice, at saka konti ng cabbage. Naiintindihan ko na kung bakit may cabbage. Pantanggal siya ng gumay.
So guys, what I got would be their mushroom short rib noodle. The reason is because I'm not really a fan of curry, especially if it doesn't have any coconut milk in it. I don't like it. So this is what I got. I told them na not spicy because I can take the spiciness, but Singapore spiciness, it's out of my league. It's so soft. This one is for $6. It comes with soup. This lemonade, this one is for $1. So let's first try the soup. It's cold fish soup. That's it. And then let's try the noodle first. That is hot. Not spicy na to ah. Oh wow, that's hot. The noodle is very chewy. It also comes with mushroom, shiitake. Mas masarap yung mushroom. Mas malasa. Let's try the porky. Just like the mushroom, it's a bit sweet. It's a bit salty, not that spicy. The spiciness, it's all in the noodle. I don't know why. Tadakimasu. Guys, after that really spicy meal, let's go to Clarke Quay. So guys, that's the end of Clarke Quay. Let's go to Orchard. Next stop, Orchard. Guys, paglabas yung mismo nung MRT Orchard, you are now entering the Iron Orchard Mall. Iron? Iron plancha. Iron. Guys, if you turn right over there, Sephora. Convenient guys, kasi paglabas yung mismo ng MRT, eto na siya. This is it. Hindi ka na iikot kung saan-saan. This is the whole mall. So underneath would be the subway, and then up would be the mall itself. You can go up as well. There are escalators going up. So Iron Orchard Mall would be the mall for high-end brands. finished here at Orchard and we are going to where?
Takashiyama.
Takashiyama. Katabi lang yun ng Orchard, right? Over there.
Pangatlo.
Because we're going to Bath and Body. Tapos, Haggard de Versosa. Sorry. Haggard dito, friends. Haggard. Guys, from Ayon, we are going to... And we're going to...
Takashiyama.
Yon. Pagod na ako. Pagod na talaga ako. Hulas na pero no time for touch-up. Let's go. Guys, sa pinakadulo may Sephora din dito sa Takashimaya. And there is Bath and Body Works. Guys, we just finished yung Takashimaya na mall. Bumili na kami ng Bath and Body. And then this one is Lucky Plaza. Tumawid lang kami. Finish na rin kami. We bought chocolates sa Choco Spot. Yan siya. Super mura doon, guys. If plan to buy chocolates dito sa Lucky Chinatown, mas mura. Pero we're still going to buy something from Fair Price.
Lucky Plaza.
Lucky Plaza, hindi Lucky Chinatown, sorry. And then we are going, but we're still going to buy something from Fair Price sa chocolate kasi meron silang box na nagustuhan ko. And then right now, nakita namin si Gardy. Siyempre, hindi kami makapag-vlog dahil ayaw niya. We're going to Marina Bay, hindi. We're going to Esplanade, Makan Sutra daw. We're going to eat there. And then we are going to the Marina Bay Sands because of the light show at 8 p.m. So we'll see you sa Marina Bay Sands na.
Dati itong simbahan, dati kumbento.
Ay, hindi nakikita. Guys, yung place na yan, sabi ng friend ko, dating kumbento yan, tapos ginawang bar. O, diba, ang taray. And sobrang pagod ako. Dami naming nilakad. Hulas na ako. Again, no time for touch-ups. And ang ganda nito, oh. Iba talaga pag nagbabakasyon kayo pag Christmas, guys, lalo na if it's out of the country. Kasi ang ganda ng mga design ng lahat ng mall. And not only the malls, pati yung mga streets nila, they have so much. Yung show na papanoorin namin, nasa labas lang nito. My friend just went to the bathroom. Choo-choo!
Mga bata!
Tunggu kung kamu ko na lang. Ayun si Ba. Hindi ko na kaya. Seriously, this day was so crazy. Dinala ko kayo sa sobrang daming lugar. We actually went to, first was Bugis, and then we went to Clark Key, and then we went to Orchard, Takeshimaya, Lucky Plaza, Makan Sutra, the food center there.
Sa Esplanade.
Yeah, and then we went to Marina Bay Sands, and then we went to sort of the walk going towards, we call that, Gardens by the Bay. Sorry kung yung latter part ng vlog hindi ko kayo masyadong nakakausap kasi Gardy was with us. Tapos syempre medyo conscious siya sa camera. So, what happened was, pinakita na lang namin sa inyo where we went. Tapos yun lang. So, these go down here. Yan. Then, yan yung mga purchases natin for the day. Sobrang dami chocolate siya. Yun lang. We are just going to end the day. And good night. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, everything that you're doing for us. And we will try to give you more of Singapore once